front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download any app you wish to use as your new default one. I will go with Firefox browser. When your app is ready, you need to exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Scroll down to click on Apps. Click on Default Apps over here and tap on any section you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply as your new default one, and when you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!